Ito, natutunan ko is, medyo pahirapan mo yung person. Huwag kang magre-reply agad masyado. Pa-wait
Don't be
mo
too
siya.
available.
Busy ka, make yourself busy.
Exactly.
So pag sinabi niya, free ka ba? 8 p.m. tonight, tapos nag-text siya ng 7:30. Parang, 30 minutes lang na, no, I'm busy.
Exactly. Dapat hindi naka-focus yung mundo mo sa kanya.
Oo.
Kahit pa taing-tai kang makasama siya, pigilan mo, don't let them stop you. You stop yourself.
Tsaka yung parang okay yung conversation nga, tapos wag ka lang mag-reply agad. Parang,
Oo.
di ba tuloy-tuloy, tapos poof, wag ka mag-reply. Parang siya, ay, ba't di na nag-reply?
No.
Gago, sobra.
What's happening? What's happening?
Oo,
But
tas
totoo.
after 30 minutes, nag-reply ka na, okay.
Oh, that's true
Mind
though.
games.
No, that's true. Like, they like it.
Fixed